Woo, man, that was a cool shower. Hello, how's it going? You doing all right? Hope you're doing good. I'm doing great. It's a new day. I'm making this video because I posted on Facebook that it was always like fun travels, cool pictures, and just, you know, dope stuff, I guess, good content. And nobody really see the behind the scenes of what goes into it. But yeah, definitely I'll go into, you know, like how it was done, the couple of things that I did, and I'm gonna make myself something to eat. Where's the seat? Let's see. All right, let's start. Boom. And like I showed you yesterday, last night, I was working on a specific transition and I'm done now. I'm gonna bring it into my timeline. So once I bring it, I replaced the clip with an After Effects composition, and I did all the adjustments that I needed to do, which I'm about to show you right now. Which, by the way, actually this is not the final one. We did a little bit more tweaks to it. And I also did color correction in After Effects. That way I don't have to worry about it later on. Perfect, so my time limit is 2 minutes and 30 seconds. By the look of the amount of information that we are dealing here with, I may be forced to go over. Does that, so let's see, probably gonna cut it right there and move this a little bit more right where my timeline is, and then just work from there, because obviously I'm cutting it real short here, but this is my timeline so far. But yeah. Alright, I want you to look at a couple of things that I did here. As you can see, I have my footage, I have the 3D tracker, I have my text obviously, and then I duplicated my footage. And the reason I duplicated my footage is because I wanted to create that depth of the text. Then I made sure that the masking was right, it was on point, just a little bit details here and there, and so this is how it looks. If you can see, I added a little bit of blurriness to play with the focus that I was doing on. So that's the end result. I'm gonna go ahead and play the whole video for you guys and enjoy.
I think Breakthrough is a really big privilege I have now. I'm excited for every summer just to be back in school.
Breakthrough has helped me become a better student because, like most other students, I used to dread learning or dread going to school, but Breakthrough has shown me that learning and education can actually be really fun when presented in a more engaging and informative way.
Even though it might sound a little bit cliche, is the people. Like all the program directors and all of my peers, they're always there to help me be successful in everything that I do. and I can always ask them for anything.
I love how helpful Breakthrough is to me and how they always constantly email me to check up on how are you doing in school, do you need tutoring and everything, and I just love the summers too.
I always tell my friends at school about Breakthrough because it's like a whole second family. The community is very nice and welcoming, and it accepts anybody for what they are.
Being a teaching assistant, I was able to jump from class to class and see what every teacher was doing for their students, whether it was countless hours of lesson planning, looking out for their students, their academic success and emotional success.
Most importantly of everything, Breakthrough has made me decide to be a teacher for my career.
HISD Breakthrough site has been strategically situated so that we're recruiting students from some of our most historically underserved campuses.
Pues ha cambiado mucho la vida de mis hijas porque ellas están bien interesadas en querer aprender y ellas dicen, oh mamá, a mí nos enseñan bastante, estamos bien motivadas, con más ganas de hacer las cosas, con más deseos de superación.
When we start developing a pipeline of students who become really, truly college ready, who do incredible things, not just in middle school, not just in high school and beyond, we're going to send a very strong message that there is talent everywhere.
We commit ourselves to hard work, dedication, respect,
Anyways, that's pretty much it. This was definitely one of my favorite projects that I've worked on so far. And yeah, I'm super proud of it. And you know, the people at Breakthrough, the students, the teachers, all of them, they're awesome people. If you don't know about them, now you do. Parents, if you're watching this, just, you know, make sure to check them out. And yeah, thank you for watching. Thank you for the support, and click the subscribe button if you haven't already. Comment below what you think about the video. If you think I should be doing more of a little bit behind the scenes of the project that I work on or anything like that, just let me know. Thank you guys again, and have a nice day, night, whatever time you're watching this.